Hello guys, welcome to the channel Rahul Automation Studio. So hey guys, in this video I will be explaining you about the keyboard action. So if you want to perform any keyboard action, so how can you perform the keyboard action? So in the test case, we may be required somewhere to enter a tab, or maybe we need to press some number pad or some functions keys. So how you can press the keyboard actions? So first of all, let's create a one file. We will be creating new Java file. So now we will give the name like a keyboard actions. We will be including the main method in just become finish. We already have the code to launch a browser. So we are launching a Chrome browser here. So guys, you already know about how to launch a Chrome browser. If you don't know, please see my previous videos. So after this, we will be loading one URL. So that is having one example URL. So I already have that URL which is containing keyboard actions example for me. So just this is the URL guys. Let's load this URL. Right guys. So let's first of all let's try to run it and go on that particular page, and then I will show you that how you can perform keyboard actions or like that. So guys, this is the URL and this is an example. So if you check the manually, suppose click on this text box, and now I'm pressing a tab from my keyboard. So you can see it is displaying that you have entered a tab. Suppose if I'm pressing enter key, enter key. So you can see it was showing as a enter key. I am pressing a shift now. So you can see it is displaying as a shift. I am pressing a control. It is showing a control for me. Right guys, so I am pressing a alt, it is showing me it as a alt. If I'm pressing a keys like F5, F6, F7, right guys, so all the actions you can perform, all the keyboard actions. So how we can automate it if you want to do? So for that, first of all, we will do the maximize of this browser. Okay, once this is done, so write it down, driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Right guys, so after this, okay guys, to do a keyboard actions, first of all there should be a text box, like you can perform that action on a text box. So this is a text box, and let's locate this. So if you want to locate and find out the element for it, so just inspect the element, and you can see it is a input, it is a text box, and it is having the ID as a target. So we will be locating this element with the help of ID. So driver dot find element by dot ID. So we will be using as a ID. And what is the ID? ID is target. So guys, this is the location this is the location of the element for our text box. In this, you have to use a method as a SendKeys. So SendKeys is the method which we will be using if you want to perform any keyboard action in it, right guys? So now which value you have to enter and you have to pass in the SendKeys method. So for that guys, you have to use keys, right? Keys dot. So which value, which keyboard, or means to say which button, which action you want to which press from the keyboard. Like you want to press add, alt, arrow down, left, right. Every keyboard action it is there which you want to perform. It has given all the actions in it, like F7, F8, F9, F6, F4, home, insert, left, right. Every keyboard is there, right? So first we'll be try with the tab, right guys? So we will be adding some delay in it. Thread dot slip. We will be adding just 2 seconds of delay in it, and it will throw an exception. We will be throwing in our method. So interpret exception, guys. You have to throw. Or yeah, like you have to handle it. Now let's try to run it once again. So run as a Java application. So it will be loading this particular URL and it should maximize the browser for you. And in this example, I have done the tab press. So it should be doing that. You can see guys, so it is displaying me you have entered as a tab for me. So in the similar way guys, we can also perform some other actions like control, right? You can see control, right? So let's try to execute it once again. So guys, every keyboard action, every keyboard press, you can perform with the help of a keys. Just you have to use a SendKeys method, and SendKeys method we can use in a text box, right guys? So you have to use a text box, and in the text box you have to use a SendKeys method, and in that you have to use it as a keys dot. So guys, in this example you have seen we have entered a control, right? Control. So in a similar way, I will try one or two more example for you guys. So let's do for F5. That's F8 we will do. We will be try with the F8. So functions keys also we can do, like if you want to reload a page, if you want to refresh a page, like F5 we press for that. So in the similar way, you can refresh your web page with pressing the F5 keys, right guys? So you can pass F5 keys from here. You entered F5, right guys? So you can do whatever actions or whatever key you want to press from the keyboard. So in that case, you can achieve with the help of a send keys method, guys. So I will try just one more, and after that, if you have any doubt, please comment on my video and share with your friends if you like it. So just try with the home. We'll try with the home. Let's run as a Java application. So you can see it is saying you have entered as a home key. So guys, this is a dummy URL. This is a dummy website that you can try, and there are many examples in it, so that you can try on your own. So please go through this and try, practice on the Selenium. And if you have any doubt, if you face any challenge, you can always ping me or comment in my video. So thanks to everyone, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks to everyone. Bye bye.